So you've decided to take your cigar hobby to the next level and get yourself a humidor. Look at you all fancy. But before you fill that bad boy up with your favorite cigars and show it off to your jealous friends and coworkers, Chad, you're going to want to season it. The reason you want to season your humidor is because most humidors are lined with cedar, which is a kind of wood that absorbs a lot of moisture. If you don't have a properly seasoned humidor, it's going to suck the moisture out of your cigars and dry them out, which is not what you want. It shortens the lifespan of cigar and affects the taste as well, leaving you with unenjoyable cigars and the silent judgment of your friends. And Chad. So here are two different ways that you can season your humidor. The first and most convenient way is by using humidification packets. On the back of the packet, you'll see a chart that tells you how many packets you need based on how many cigars your humidor holds. Pretty simple so far, and you got to read a chart. Then, all you do is take the appropriate number of packets, place them in your humidor, close it, and let it go for a fortnight. Or 14 days for people that are not from the 1800s. I know that's kind of a long wait time, but when it's done, you're going to end up with a really nice and seasoned humidor. Chew on that, Chad! The second method is called the wipe down method. How this works is to wipe down the entire interior of your humidor. You'll want to wipe any surfaces where the wood is showing, because remember, that's what's dry. That's what's going to pull the moisture out of your cigars, playing you for a fool, mocking you, reminding you of all your This method is a little bit faster than the first method, but a little more hands-on. If done right, it can take up to 2 or 3 days. First thing you'll need is a plain old sponge. You'll want one that's not going to have any kind of chemical treatment or odors to it, because that's going to get into the wood and ruin your cigars, which if you've been paying attention, is bad. If you don't have a sponge, a plain white cotton cloth will do. Nothing with dyes in it, nothing that's been washed a bunch of times, and if at any point this cloth was a sock that you lost the match for, don't use that. You'll also want to avoid things like paper towels or napkins because they tend to flake apart inside the box and leave a residue. Next, take a small container filled with either distilled water or the safer bet, which is Cigar Swami PG Potion. PG stands for propylene glycol. What that is an all-natural substance that comes from plants. It's very similar to water, except better. The difference between PG Potion and water is viscosity, which is a fancy science word for the thickness of it. This makes it the better option for the seasoning process. Plus, you can say you used a potion, which sounds cooler than using water. When you're applying it, you'll want to take the sponge, let it soak up the potion, and then wring it out. You don't want to drench it. Resist the urge to submerge. You just want it to be nice and damp. Then you're going to wipe down all the interior surfaces. You should see the color change a little bit, just like when you're staining a piece of wood. Look at all the things you do. You hear that, Chad? This process should take about 8 to 10 minutes. Remember, you don't want to douse the wood, you just want to get a nice even coating. And not unlike a child eating spaghetti, make sure that you get it everywhere, especially where the wood overlaps. The wood soaks up the solution, causing it to expand just a little bit, making for an overall tighter seal. Now that you got your humidor wiped down, you're almost ready to go for the first night. To make sure that you maintain humidity, take a regular plastic bag, set it in the interior of your humidor, take the same sponge that you used to wipe everything down, soak it in the solution again, and then wring it out so that it's damp. Place it right on top of the bag, close the humidor, and let it go for the next 24 hours. And because you had so much fun the first time, you're going to want to repeat everything a second time. And possibly a third time, until you reach the optimal humidity of 65 to 75%. So there you have it, a few ways you can get that new humidor up to the task of keeping your favorite cigars in optimal condition for your enjoyment. Now go rub it in Chad's stupid face.